Alright guys, I got a 2003 Toyota Camry, and in today's video we're going to be removing and showing you how to replace a blower motor. To change the blower motor, you have to go down there, but before that make sure you confirm your blower motor is the problem. So check your relay, check your fuses, and also what you're going to do is you're going to put the key on, put the blower motor on high speed. Okay, you see this blower motor works, but I am going to show you how to replace it anyway. And let's say your blower motor only works on high speed. There's a resistor down there, so it will not work in any of the speeds except the high speed. So you do need to take care of that resistor. Okay, resistor will go bad and it only will work on high speed. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down there and we're gonna start taking things apart. So right down here, let's remove some of this stuff here. Down here you have this little guy right here. You just pull this down and it will just simply come down, but we might have to take some of this stuff out before. All right, this plunger is always bad. You can remove this screw to take this off, but usually these are just falling apart, and then you just, I was supposed to be able to yank down this. There you go, and it comes down. All right, and this little guy right here, we're just gonna have to yank it a little bit harder. So the blower motor is up in here. If you need to change your cabin filter, you're right over here. So to make things easy, you don't have to remove this glove box, but if you want, just like I did, very simple. So let's yank down on this. I might have to get a tool, okay, flathead screwdriver. All right, so instead of flathead screwdriver, I do have this clip removing tool here. So that's what we're gonna be using to yank this down. So you just yank down on this. And it will come down, okay? Just one more over here. Just take your time, and this cover comes out. Once this come out, you're gonna see the blower motor right there. Okay, so the blower motor has 1 screw, 2 screw, and 3 screw. Okay, this vent is gonna bother you a little bit, but shouldn't be a big deal. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna set up my camera here. I'm gonna go get me a number 8 screw, a socket, and we're gonna remove this guy. All right, so I went and got me this number 8. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna remove this connector. If I'm able to push this connect, there you go, very simple. So what I like to do is I like to take off the harder ones first. So if you guys want to remove the resistor, it's looking right there. And this comes down 1 screw, and then I'm gonna take out this screw right here. This guy might bother us a little bit. Hopefully we'll be able to yank him out of the way a little bit. There's the 2nd screw, and 2003 model, guys. 3, 4, 5, 6 should be same. Some of the Toyotas have a computer on the way. So just try to avoid it. And there you go. And then we should be able to push this guy out of the way. Maybe there's a screw on this little guy. Okay, I don't see any screws on this tough guy. Trying to see if there's any screws on this little guy. All right, my camera just destroyed the whole video evidence. All right, so this thing has a little clip here, up here. I used this guy from up here to remove that, and then I yanked this forward and the motor fell right in my hand. God damn the camera. Anyways, To remove the resistor, you're gonna take out the screw right there and screw right there. It only goes in one way, and here's the connector. So that's all you're gonna do with that. All right. So we didn't get a good glimpse of it taking it out, but putting it back should be same procedure. A little bit difficult because now I need to push it in instead of thing falling in my hands. So I yank down on this. There you go, very simple. And then same thing here. Give it a little bit of yank. Little bit of yank here, little bit of yank there. Believe me, it was much easier taking it out than putting it in. Make sure your motor is aligned the way it's gonna go in. Alright, something is bothering me. Let me just figure out how does this go. Alright, just like that. Yep. Just don't force it because you don't want to break nothing. There you go. And after that, you can move it around wherever you like it. And it's only going to sit one way, okay? And do I have it? No, I don't have it. Okay. Okay. Ooh. I'm going round and round. So let me line this, then I'll show you guys. Alright, so this little guy sits right there. So make sure you put it right there. It would have been much easier if I had lined it. I was a little bit off. Okay. Alright, got that guy in. And got this guy in. There should be one more on this side right here. There you go. Alright, so don't forget to tighten 3 of these. Don't want to leave nothing loose. And again, blow motor resistors right there, 2 screws on it, Phillips head screws. 1. Two. All right, again, I did lose the clip where I took it out, but to put it back is the same procedure as taking it out. So there that goes. This little clip was hanging over here, but it's supposed to be attached right there. Put your cover on, test your blow motor, make sure resistor's in, make sure the connector's in before you start up anything. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.